This video demonstrates stock move under invoices.
If you have more than one warehouse and you want to transfer stock from one warehouse to another, you will record the entry in stock move.
To record the entry, click on Add New Invoice. Select the warehouse from which items will be shifted.
Now select the warehouse where items will be stocked.
Attach relevant documents. Select the item from drop-down or enter item barcode. Enter quantity, unit, batch, and expiry. Click Add. Add optional remarks if any. Click Save to save the entry. You can edit the entry by clicking blue button on left-hand side. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.